this is an adventure, okay? It is snowing like hell, and I'm attempting to do a snow photo shoot. So keep me in your blessings. Kim, how do you feel?
I feel good. Honestly, I'm glad you came because I was thinking, oh my god, his ring light, like his tripod.
Oh yeah. So, oh man, so as you all can see, it is snowing crazy, okay? Which is different for folks in Maryland, all right? So we're gonna make it happen. Yeah. Now, you feel cold yet?
Honestly, I'm warm.
Let me put that in the back.
Warm. Everything I have is pretty warm.
Yeah, when I look, oh my goodness.
Oh, and this is yours.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh. I looked and I seen the snow, y'all. I said, oh snaps. It's a couple inches already. It's a couple inches already. So now we're gonna go to the location, shoot, and then head to the station so she can get back. Let's go. All right, so we are cruising along, you all. This all-wheel drive is coming in clutch. All right, and Kim got the fit on, okay? She brought the fit out.
I planned it. I had my vision.
Yo, yeah, she had the vision. So now we're gonna keep going, and the plan is to, you know, they got snow routes. My plan right here is to make it to the highway, because these streets are okay, but if I can make it to the highway, I know that they plow those a lot more, so it's a lot easier to drive on those streets. And we're going to shoot like kind of close to where the train station is. So just so far so good. So far so good, y'all. Okay, we have made it. We have made it. This is the station, so it's actually 2 for 1 because she catches the train from here. But I've also wanted to shoot right here. Like, this place never looked like this before. They actually built this up, so it actually has a lot that we could do in terms of taking pictures. So I think this would be pretty dope. All right. Woo. These are the adventures with Team Idiot. Man.
Yeah, I met a girl in Tahoe, just another model. I know I don't love her, but I might see her tomorrow. Saint Laurent sweaters, inclement weather. Every time she leave, I swear to God, I don't want her to go. Yeah, I met a girl in Texas, she got used to mess with. I swear.
Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna get the shots, y'all. 1, 2. Perfect. All right, let me see. Let's see if we go come out this way. I want to see. Yeah, let me see. 1, 2. Perfect. Yeah, that's it right there. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Let me show you what it's looking like.
So pretty.
Yeah. All right, so we'll get a few more, and then I'll let you throw yourself in the snow. All right, you could be like right there, and I'm a shoot like right here. Yeah. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Fire. Fire, fire. What if you give me like a squat right there? All right, 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. Go back there again, and I want you to play towards that side. Well, yeah, start on that side and walk, because I just want to get like the scenery on that side. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom. The sacrifice that we take. All right, man. But I'm loving how the shots look, and I wanted to get some trees to kind of get as though she is somewhere else, you know. So we got a nice little path right here that we could use, and we got some trees. I'm gonna put that in the background, and I think that should be pretty dope. So let's set that up. Actually, if you could like sit right there, that'll be a good shot.
Oh, yeah.
All right. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Let me check up. Let me back up just a little bit more. There we go. 1, 2. All right, and then I'm wondering for like that, to get like that tree, you could stand on top of here and I could try to get a shot. Yeah. All right, let's see y'all. It's definitely cold. Oh yeah, that's fire, Kim. Yep. That's fire. Perfect. And I'm gonna get one more angle. Boom. I really want the trees, so let me get a low angle so I can kind of get more of the trees in the background. There we go. All right, everybody, this is Kim's idea, by the way. All right, 1, 2, 3.